going, everybody? This is Norfolk Southern Storm, along with
the OG of deviousness, also known as NorCal Dude 599.
Ranger 143.
I think he knows what's coming.
Oh, absolutely.
Because today is a special day. Because we're doing, and we're gonna be doing a ton of unboxing today. Yes, we're doing a.
Yeah, I think his camera or his internet's crapping out again.
Anyway, we're doing a triple unboxing today. Now, two of them are already ripped open because I had to peek in to make sure that they were radios and not something else, because I got a couple of DVDs and playing cards today. But let's get them out. Box number one is right here. Let's make sure I don't die first.
Please don't.
Because I got a sharp pocket knife right here. And I got a bunch of wee
Packaging.
Peanuts.
Gotta hit those.
This is the version. Yeet. This is the version 2 Midland WR100, and it's got a statement light. It's got a statement light.
I infinitely approve.
So do I. I as well.
It's dirty.
Remind me.
It's dirty, but it'll do.
Oh, by the way, Katie, if you put your camera over here, if you can, look what I'm doing.
Writing notes.
Green! Here's my version 2.
It's green. Yeet.
So pretty.
We'll get batteries in it in a minute. I only have an X amount of batteries. Oh no. I only have 12 batteries, so you're gonna have to share. And this
I'm scared.
it's a little dirty, but it'll do. It's still a version 2. So now I got a version 2. Hold on.
Wait, can I see the antenna really quick?
It's the fatter one.
Okay, so yours is the 2003 model.
Yeah. Mine is the 2002 model. So you both. Just kidding.
Yeah, we're going old school.
Yay.
Let me get my version 5. The skinnier one. Wow, there is a little difference between the two, isn't there? There is a slight difference, besides the statement light.
Yep. Yeah, it doesn't have the public alert logo.
And the version 2,
And it says standard alert monitor
the
instead.
version 2 looks fatter than the other. But there they both are. The version 5 and the version 2. We'll eventually get this one going. And I might as well change the time on this. That's just my version 5 that I'm playing with. But yay! There they both are again.
Yep.
Except the version 2 is a little bit stained. But it's alright. It's what happens when it's old.
It's old.
What do you expect? It's a 2003 model. So of course it's old.
And again, here's
You
mine.
do call me old? Alright. Next one. Bunch of blue crap.
That almost looks like blueprint paper.
And this is the Sangean. The Sangean. The Sangean.
Ooh, she has the one that Matthew Schreier has.
Yeah, she has the older Sangean model.
Yep.
Yeet. So guess what? Guess what, guys?
Guess what? You know what? We are all Sangean buddies.
DX.
Oh, absolutely.
Life.
And if you're not down with that, never mind.
Katie, all I can say is now, prepare to get alerts from 650, 840, 840.
And if you're not down with that, we got 2 words for you. Bunch of floods, bunch of floods, bunch of floods. That's actually more than 2 words, but but you get the idea.
Oh, yeah. Oh, absolutely, indeed.
There's nothing wrong with this. Alright, like I said, we'll get the batteries in it later. And I'm not going to worry about the sirens because my nephew's just spending the night tonight and I'm not about to wake him up.
And it's loud as shit.
The loudest radio
Yeah,
ever.
it is.
And I'm not doing it. Anyway, box number 3, and Clay Ranger, you might want to hide for this.
Wait, would you buy 4 radios or 3?
I bought 4.
What was the 4th one?
The HH54 PP2
Oh yeah, my bad.
that Amazon failed to send.
My bad.
Ooh, the moment we've all been waiting for.
Let's see. Let's see if this is. Oh, the box is big enough for it. Let's just hope that it is radio and isn't something else. Because it could be something else.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Shreveport issues severe thunderstorm warning for Cass, Morris, and Titus counties in Texas.
Cool. Claire Ranger, brace yourself. As I am ripping this box up. There it is.
I gotta do this.
Here it is. The Eton ZoneGuard Plus. Now, sadly, my HH didn't make it yet, but it's still coming. Sadly, my HH didn't make it yet. Let's get her. Let's get her. It's out. It's out. That just. No, I just need to do one thing. It just needs one thing.
Again.
There they both are.
Yes, the
There they both
ZoneGuard
are.
and the ZoneGuard Plus.
There they are.
Double the trouble.
We got what we call twin magic.
Excuse me.
Just ouch. Yep.
Uh-oh.
Oh
His internet crapped out again.
no. That's not the that's not the ZoneGuard that did that.
Nope. Or was it?
And what the heck are these things?
Oh, those are the little, what do you call it? The remote alarms.
Remote
That
alarms.
make that monotonous sound that they're famous for.
And this one actually came with a stand. It actually came with a stand. Ah, damn it.
Oh, I just now noticed that the stand on the ZoneGuard Plus is a lot fatter than on the regular ZoneGuard.
There it is.
That's interesting.
ZoneGuard Plus. Well, that's 3 of my 4 radios that came. I'm still waiting on my HH. Come on, eBay. Don't fail me on this one now.
They still have not sent you the HH?
Not the one on Amazon.
Oh. Hey, you're back.
Get back on here. Now, hopefully, eBay doesn't fail me like Amazon did. But
Okay, oh, I see you now. Okay.
there's my 3 radios. Version 2, ZoneGuard Plus, and the Sangean. Now, when the HH gets here, you can come out now. When the HH gets here, it'll be complete.
You're safe now, Clay. Oh, Jesus.
I think he knows he's doomed.
Absolutely.
Anyway, now to figure out where to put these. I think the Midland 100, the version 2, is gonna go on the wall over there. But I'm gonna nail these later. Either tomorrow. No, I think I'll nail that. I'll nail it to the wall.
Definitely put the ZoneGuard Plus next to the ZoneGuard.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it beside it.
And Clay over here is having a seizure.
And the Sangean's gonna go where that open spot is. Actually, hold on. I might be able to fit both the Sangean and the ZoneGuard Plus over there, since the Sangean is smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Anyway, well, I am gonna do another video some other time on these 3, on how to turn them on and all that stuff, because I'm not about to wake up my nephews. Because the loudest radio ever made, the Sangean, there's no way. There's no way. So
For those who own the Sangean, yeah, you know what we're talking about. For those who don't, yeah, let's just say they are loud. About as loud as a damn, what do you call it?
It's louder than the 120.
Yeah.
And the Alert Works combined.
It's even louder than the ZoneGuard.
It's the loudest radio ever made.
Mm-hmm.
And yet we call the ZoneGuard possessed. I thought the Sangean was. But anyway, that is all for now. Again, I will do a separate video on, turning them on. I'll press the buttons for good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Till next time, this is Norfolk Southern Storm, signing out with
OG of deviousness, aka NorCal Dude 599.
And Clay Ranger 143.
Clay Ranger 143, who will now go into rogue mode from the fucking ZoneGuard Plus that she now has. And now, if I even buy a ZoneGuard Plus, God forbid.
It's a pretty radio. I'll give it to it. It's pretty. It is a pretty radio.
What did you just say?
It's a pretty radio.
No, before that.
That's what I said.
I'm hallucinating.
You are.
Yeah, you are.
It's the fucking ZoneGuard Plus, for God's sake. By the way, if I buy one, God forbid, that means it'll be possessed.
No, he's gonna buy one. He's gonna buy one.
Right there.
Just try to find one that's on sale, because I got this one on sale.
It'll be possessed by
Anyway.
You, Katie, so, I'm gonna go into rogue. Goodbye.
Till next time, guys.
Yeah.
Peace out.